Welcome to the Aries Parts Engine website. In this tutorial, we will learn how to navigate the site, utilize its features, and purchase parts. This screen will be displayed when you first enter the site. By entering your username and password and clicking Login, you will be able to access the site. This is the home screen of the site and can be accessed anytime by clicking on the Home button on the upper left-hand corner in the banner. There's also a help manual on the same banner that can be accessed by clicking on the Help button, which will take you to a new tab with the help manual. This video tutorial can also be re-accessed through this help manual by clicking on the video tutorial link. On the second page of this help manual, Aries contact information can also be found. Products and parts can be navigated either by categories or by searching. Navigation by categories can be done by either finding them on the left-hand side of the site, or by scrolling below the image on the home page. The categories are components, product lines, kits, cables, pigtails, and cases. It's important to know that components and product lines have the same exact parts and products, but they are just organized differently. If we navigate by components, this brings up the sections cameras, tractors, reels and controllers. For example, if we open up the camera section, we're brought to all of the different cameras that are offered on the site. If we open up the PE2750 section, we are brought to the camera drawing as well as any other assembly drawings that are associated with that product. If we go to the product line section, we are brought to all the different product lines that are offered on the site. And if we open up, for example, the LETS section, we see all the different components that are offered for the LETS system. If we navigate to kits, cables and pigtails, we are brought to all of the different product lines and any termination kits, upgrade kits, service kits, and pigtails offered. So if we open up the LETS section, we will see all of the cables, pigtails and kits offered for LETS systems. An important thing to note, which applies to all of the cables, pigtails and kits, is that there is a code to purchase the entire product. So, for example, if we go to the LETS cable section and then open up the first cable, we will find a code to purchase the entire cable, as well as codes to purchase individual parts of the cable. Lastly, as we navigate to cases, we will find all of the cases offered for various products. These are organized by cameras, tractors, reels, and controllers. An important thing to note for the cases is that the catalog offers full case assemblies, as well as individual foam inserts for cases. Full case assemblies come with foam, so there is no need to purchase a foam insert separately if a full case assembly is purchased. This is also noted in each foam insert drawing. Navigation by searching can be done either by the Search Products banner on the left-hand side or by the search box on the upper right-hand side. Note both of these search functions have different features and they are not the same. The Search Products feature allows us to search for product pages, not for specific part numbers. So for example, if we search for HD 400, we will be brought to all of the different pages that have HD 400 in their title. One of these can then be selected and you will be brought to that specific page. Now for the search box on the right-hand side, we can search by either product code, which is the same as a part number, or by description. If we search the product code 810156, we will be brought to the product code, its description, and its MSRP. When we click on the magnifying glass icon on the left side, we will be brought to all of the different pages that contain this part. One of these pages can then be selected and you will be brought to the page where the part is located on that page. If we change search to description and search for a screw, we will then be returned with all of the different parts that have screw in their description. Now let's look at how to navigate a product drawing or a product page. For example, let's go to cameras and let's go to the HD 400 camera and the product drawing. This is what a product drawing will look like. You can zoom in and out of the drawing by using the mouse wheel or by using the magnifying glasses on the upper right hand side. Left clicking and dragging can also be used to move around the drawing, and there is a table on the bottom of each drawing which lists all of the parts in the drawing, as well as its quantity and the parts and MSRP. This table can be expanded or minimized by using the thin gray bar above the table and clicking and dragging it up or down. Clicking on a part number on the table will then bring you to that part number and its location on the drawing, and hovering over a part number on the drawing will bring it to its location on the table. Parts can be purchased either by clicking on the cart icon on the table next to the part number, or by clicking on the part number itself on the drawing. When a part selected, a box will then appear with information about the part, which includes its quantity. The quantity listed is the number used on the specific drawing. This quantity can be changed by deleting the number and entering in any quantity desired. Clicking Add to Cart will then add the part and its quantity to the cart. The cart can be found on the top of the page on the right hand side. If we go to the cart, we will then see the product added, as well as this quantity and the MSRP total. To begin the checkout process, we click on the Checkout button. We will then be brought to this page, which will ask for your information as well as accepting the terms of sale and the privacy disclaimer. Clicking Continue will then bring you to a confirmation page, and confirming the order will then complete the purchasing process. Customer service will then be in contact with you about the order. That concludes how to navigate and utilize Aries Parts Engine website. As always, if you have any questions or suggestions, do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you for watching.